Let's look at the visible satellite. Nice and clear right now. Just the last couple of minutes of sunlight over southern Maine. Will be clear through the first half of tonight. Temperatures will drop down into the teens and low 20s by early tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow is a mixture of sun and clouds, and early on we could see a flurry or a quick sprinkle along the coastline. But I think by the afternoon we start to clear these clouds out, and it looks pretty good. And I actually think that we could get into the low to mid 40s over southern and western Maine and into New Hampshire. Most of us will be in the mid and upper 30s, which feels surprisingly good this time of the year. So a nice day overall, clear tomorrow night, and then we cloud up pretty quickly here on Sunday. Our next little system comes through. This is really not a storm system, it's just a front that's going to drag through. And so it'll give us some light snow initially in the mountains here. This is 11 noon, and then moving down towards the coast by the afternoon. When it gets to the coast, I think we're looking at largely just rain showers or maybe wet snowflakes that don't really do anything. But there will be some accumulating snow inland, including Bangor, and then this thing's out of here by Sunday night. It's really quick moving because, again, it's not a real storm system. It's just a little disturbance. Snowfall forecast here, 3 to 6 inches. Mountains and northern Maine will freshen up what has suddenly become an actual base for skiing and snowboarding and all that. And then 1 to 3 in Waterville, Freiburg, and to Bangor as well. And then the coastline, if we see snow, I don't think it's really going to accumulate too much of anything. So we've got you just in the shaded green there. So it's quiet through much of next week, although we do have a little light storm system again on Monday night. That could be another 2 to 4, 3 to 6 inch snowstorm. Not a huge deal though. And then we watch a storm on Thursday that should stay to our south, relatively close, but we'll keep an eye on that. And then the story by the end of the week is this blob of cold air rotating down over us for Friday and Saturday, and it will be cold. Saturday morning, I think, will be 5 below or so along the coastline, 10 to 15 below inland, and then up to 25 below in the mountains in northern Maine. This is not this Saturday, next Saturday. I just want to give you a heads up because we have not had much of this. And I doubt anybody has gotten so arrogant about this relatively warm winter as to say, oh, I don't have that much oil, but it's okay. But if you are on the borderline, fill it up. It's looking cold this upcoming weekend. And we are still watching that Thursday storm. Interestingly, if that storm somehow were to get to us and give us snow, it might make the cold not as extreme on the other side. Okay. So we'll keep an eye on that. But it does not look like the blitz that we had over the last 10 days as far as snow goes.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Keith.